Have you ever stopped to wonder why our keyboards are arranged in such a strange order, starting with Q, W, E, R, T, Y instead of just A, B, C? It feels random, but there's actually a fascinating story behind it. The QWERTY layout dates back to the 1870s, when typewriters were first invented. The earliest typewriters had their keys arranged alphabetically. But here's the problem: when people typed too fast, the mechanical arms inside would jam and get stuck together. This was frustrating and slowed everything down. Christopher Latham Sholes, the inventor of the typewriter, had to solve this problem. Instead of keeping the letters in order, he rearranged them in a way that would separate the most commonly used letters. This reduced jamming and forced people to type a little more slowly, but it made the typewriter actually usable. That's why the top row starts with QWERTY. It wasn't designed for speed or efficiency. It was designed to stop the machine from breaking. Here's the surprising part. By the time technology improved and jamming was no longer an issue, QWERTY was already the standard. Millions of people had learned to type on it, businesses trained workers with it, and manufacturers stuck with it because changing would confuse everyone. Over the years, alternatives like the Dvorak layout and Colemak were introduced, claiming to be faster and more ergonomic. And while some studies suggest they might be more efficient, QWERTY remains the universal layout simply because of habit and tradition. So the next time you type on your keyboard, remember this: the QWERTY layout wasn't chosen because it was the best. It was chosen to fix a problem from 150 years ago. And yet, it's still shaping the way we type every single day. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.